What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're going to be taking a sneak peek look at Eco Battery's new AC motor and controller kit along with the Gen 3 battery. Stay tuned. So this right here is what we got. We got a big package from Eco Battery, and this is the Eco Battery AC kit and a Gen 3 battery. Let's look at some things here. This is a 70-volt charger. I believe we have the motor in here. We have the battery down there, the controller assembly. We have the Club Car President full harness. So what that means is, if you haven't seen this yet, when you're installing their AC kit, this kit right here, you have everything that's individually wrapped. So right here is the Eco Battery power key switch adapter for the President, Tempo, or Onward. We have the Eco Battery AC harness for the Club Car. So it's got your big connector. You got the entire harness. There's no need to splice into your old harness or change anything over. They're sending you everything that you need for your golf cart. We got some individual parts and pieces in here. There's some ring terminals, butt connectors. We have the AC accessory pack. So very nice there. There's some more harnesses in there as well. They give you some zip ties, and some zip ties that's got the plugs on there so you can actually attach them to the plastic to keep the wires in place. You have some stickers, and you have your registration card. This is cool here. They go ahead and give you, this is your 2-gauge. This is going to be your phase cables. They already going to have the labels on there, yellow, green, and blue. And they also have the ends on there as well. Like I said, we'll open all of this up on the next video. You also have a 2-gauge red and black cable as well. These are going to replace the stock cables that's in your golf cart. That's pretty cool there. So just think about other AC kits on the market, what they come with, and now think about Eco Battery because it comes with everything. Next thing we have, this is going to be the controller assembly. So this is the controller. Now the controller has labels for your phase cable, your power, and your ground. It comes with a fuse already installed with a solenoid, and it already comes mounted. So basically on the Club Car President, we're just going to unmount what's already there, remove it, and place this right here back in this original spot. It's also logoed EB Power. So this is a very nice deal here, guys. These guys are here just thinking ahead of the game. I like this right here. Everything's incorporated. There's no need to unmount a controller, mount a controller. This is going to be a lot quicker installs than before. All right, went ahead and opened the box, but just want to show you the box here. Let's open it up again. I've not yet seen the motor. We have our cable harness here for the speed sensor on the motor. We have our hardware to attach it to the axle. That's pretty nice. I guess they don't want you using your old hardware, so they're giving you new hardware as well. All right, got the motor out the box. This is what it looks like. Got your EB here in the top of the motor. Now this right here is all metal, guys. This isn't like no sticker or anything. It's a silver motor. This is the 5kW motor. I think it looks pretty good. What do you guys think? Everything's labeled here on the very top. Got your label here as well. I'm not gonna lie, I like the fact, and I'm not throwing any shade at any other company, but I like the fact that it's not colored. I like the silver. I think it's just gonna go good with underneath the cart. It's not gonna stand out. And might be a little secretive too, in case you wanted to hop up against one of your buddies and they don't know what you got. And well, we're gonna be pairing all of this with Eco's Gen 3 70.4 105 amp hour lithium battery. Okay, so we're gonna check this right here battery out as well. So I cannot wait to get this right here installed. I really love the fact that the Eco battery is coming with the kit already installed to the plate. It's coming with a harness. It's coming with everything below. So I'll put a link in the description below where you can find this right here on Eco Battery's website. Well, guys, I'm going to stop the video right here. Can't wait to get this right here onto the cart. Not exactly sure if I'm going to do my wife's cart or I'm going to do my president. Big shout out to Eco Battery for sending this right here out and supporting me and my channel. So with that being said, we'll catch y'all on the next one. Bye.